Some people say you have lost a lot. Some say, what has happened to you? Some even say, are you working on your transformation? But I was not ready for this kind of transformation. 2021 has been a major roller coaster ride for a lot of us, and I am not an exception to that. I went through a major surgery post COVID and would like to share my story with you all. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Thank you for your love and support. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for being here. Just to let you know, I'm Rahul. I'm a software professional, but I'm quite passionate towards health and fitness. I'm a Reebok certified fitness trainer, a licensed Zuma instructor, and an International Sports Sciences Association certified nutritionist. I keep on posting videos related to some easy, quick, healthy recipes, a lot of recipes, plus some workouts, be it for the workouts for kids, for workout for the entire family, some easy to follow workouts, plus some family vlogs. So that's about me. So this video, I'm a bit nervous while posting this video because it's not a workout video, it's not a recipe, and it's not a normal vlog that I post. It's something about sharing my experience with you all, my story with you all. So what I went through in this year, I wanted to share that with you. What I went through post COVID, so I wanted to share all that with you. So I was thinking of posting this video since long, but I think now is a good time to say goodbye to this tough year and to post this video. One request to everyone, don't take it up as a sad story, but please consider it as a motivation to take care of yourself, to spend some more time with your family and friends, and to be happy always. So it's been 6 months since I went through all this. So let me start from the beginning. So before COVID, I used to conduct a lot of sessions in the park for uncles, aunties, for kids, for everyone. बच्चे कहते थे कि अगर आज राहुल सर जल्दी फ्री हो गए अपने ऑफिस से तो he'll be coming, he'll be conducting some kind of a dance session for us. So they used to wait for me. और ऑफिस में भी काफ़ी सारे सेशंस करता रहता था. So I was happy. And it was like I was feeling happy because I was able to, it's a way that I feel I am contributing towards society and I am just imbibing some kind of health and fitness habits into the people. So that's about me. I stay in Delhi with my parents, my wife and my kids. So first wave already आ चुकी थी और बहुत कुछ कर चुकी थी. And that was March, April, that second wave came. Second wave of COVID came and that was very deadly. So मुझे याद है नवरात्रास चल रहे थे and that was I think second last नवरात्रा. मुझे काफ़ी तेज फीवर था उस दिन. So I was sleeping in a different room. और रात को मैं उठा हूँ and I went to washroom. While coming back from the washroom, मुझे नहीं पता क्या हुआ और एकदम मैं unconscious हो गया. And I fell very badly. बिल्कुल सेंटर टेबल पड़ी हुई थी, उस पे जाके मेरी चेस्ट लगी and I hit my rib cage very badly. बहुत तेज पेन थी, मुझे पता ही नहीं लगा क्या हुआ, एकदम unconscious होते ही गिरा और I don't know for how much time I was lying on the floor. उसके बाद मैं उठा, वाइफ के पास गया and we realized that there is something wrong. So next day morning, I went to the doctor. So COVID test was done and in 2 days, the COVID report came as positive. So सब कुछ एकदम हुआ, पता ही नहीं लगा कि क्या हुआ. So I was staying in a different room altogether. जब आप थोड़े से बीमार होते हो, आपके बच्चों को भी आपकी बहुत याद आती है. So self quarantining at home was tough. But yeah, I was able to do so and I was able to quarantine myself. तो एक रूम में बैठा रहता था, so it was tough. But yeah, okay. But with God's grace, with everyone's well wishes, I was fit and fine. So I was fine after COVID, and my oxygen level were also fine. So I was okay. So COVID was gone. Post COVID, it was like COVID के जाते ही मेरे को काफ़ी ब्लॉटिंग शुरू हो गई. हमेशा पेट फूला रहता था, पता ही ना लगे क्या करना है. Initially I thought because I was having quite an active lifestyle, शायद वो lifestyle change हुआ है, इसलिए शायद मेरा पेट फूला रहने लगा है या कुछ. That's why I am being bloated. So I started to walk a bit. So initially I started walk, but still there was no change. मुझे नहीं पता था क्या हो रहा है मुझे. And then one day there was an acute pain in my stomach. जो हमारा फैमिली डॉक्टर है उसके पास गए तो उस टाइम तो डॉक्टर्स देख भी बहुत दूर से रहे थे. So he thought there is some kind of a stomach infection. He gave me some medicines. I had that medicine for a day, but no improvement was there. और उसके बाद मुझे याद है ना मेरे से बैठा जा रहा था ना मेरे से लेटा जा रहा था. I was just lying on the floor और इतनी तेज पेन हो रही थी, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है. So I went to a nearby hospital. So Fortis Hospital is there. I went over there and I thought they'll give me some kind of an injection and I'll be fine and I'll come back home. So just like that I went over there. उन्होंने मुझे emergency में रखा. Around 2 hours तक उन्होंने मुझे injections दिए, काफ़ी कुछ दिया. But after that they said that we are not able to find out what's the issue and we may need to admit you because there's no improvement that is happening to you. Okay. Then I got admitted into Fortis. After that they did lot of tests. उन्होंने दुनिया भर के टेस्ट करे और अल्ट्रासाउंड किया, सीटी स्कैन किया, पता नहीं क्या क्या किया, चेस्ट का एक्सरे किया. क्योंकि कोविड, आई वॉज लकी कि उस टाइम पे कोविड का थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्ट कम हो गया था बिकॉज दैट वॉज लाइक स्टार्ट ऑफ मीन्स मिड ऑफ मई और एंड ऑफ मई और स्टार्ट ऑफ जून. सो कोविड का थोड़ा इम्पैक्ट कम था उस टाइम दिल्ली में, तो हॉस्पिटल्स वर हैविंग सम प्लेस. तो मैं वहाँ गया, उन्होंने मुझे एडमिट किया. उसके बाद उन्होंने मुझे 5-6 दिन तक पानी तक नहीं पीने दिया. सो आई वॉज ऑन द ड्रिप्स, पूरे टाइम वो लगी हुई थी और इट वॉज वेरी टफ टाइम. इट वॉज वेरी टफ टाइम एंड दे सेड दैट वी नीड टू चेक योर इंटायर बॉडी, योर स्टमक, सो वी कैन नॉट गिव यू एनीथिंग बिकॉज उस टाइम पे बिल्कुल ब्लॉक सा हो गया था सब कुछ और पेट में दर्द अभी ठीक नहीं हो रहा था. तो I was not being given even a single drop of water. It was very tough. It was very tough. Then as a one of the tests was like CT scan. उसमें उन्हें पता लगा there seems to be some kind of a blockage in my intestine, and that's it what I got to know. So as per doctors, उन्होंने मेरी कोलोनोस्कोपी करनी थी जिसके अंदर आपके स्टमक में एक कैमरा लेके जाते हैं to check what's the blockage all about. बट उसके लिए उन्हें बिल्कुल स्टमक क्लीन चाहिए था. दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज बीइंग टोल्ड ऑन टू बी ओनली ऑन ड्रिप्स. मुझे पानी भी पीना अलाउड इसीलिए नहीं था. फिर उन्होंने कोलोनोस्कोपी ट्राई करा बट दे वर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड द एक्चुअल कॉज ऑफ ब्लॉकेज क्योंकि वो ब्लॉकेज तक पहुंच ही नहीं पाए. एंड आफ्टर दैट दे सेड के अब 2 वीक्स तक यू हैव टू बी ओनली ऑन लिक्विड्स. सो दे सजेस्टेड के अभी यू कैन गो होम, यू कैन बी ऑन लिक्विड्स. सो आई गॉट डिस्चार्ज फ्रॉम हॉस्पिटल. I was only on liquids for 2 weeks. So 2 weeks की liquid diet के बाद I went to the hospital again and they said that blockage is still there, so you have to go for surgery. So I thought of taking second opinion and went to BL Kapoor Hospital. So when I reached BL Kapoor, they did an initial ultrasound whereby they discovered कि मेरी जो intestine है, जहाँ पे large intestine और small intestine merge होती हैं, जहाँ मिलती हैं, वहाँ पर कोई बैंड्स, कोई गांठें बन गई हैं और वहां भी कुछ ब्लॉकेज है. That's it that they were able to tell me and they said that ये ठीक नहीं होगी जब तक इसकी सर्जरी नहीं होगी. So surgery was the only resolution for that. So after that I think I was there on Friday and they suggested that get admitted on Sunday and we'll do the surgery on Monday morning itself. So I got admitted to the hospital I think on 27th of June. And 28th was a Monday. So in the morning itself, around 7 o'clock, they took me to the OT for surgery. So it was it was scary. Yeah, it was quite scary. And then when the team of the doctors were taking me into the operation theatre, I went over there and I remember doctor was telling me, he asked me, can I shut down your system now before giving me anesthesia? I tried to smile and said, yeah, you can, but do remember to restart the same as well. And after that, so after that, the surgery took place, and no one was aware that what kind of a blockage it's going to be. Only after opening the stomach, they'll be able to know how much is the blockage, what is the resolution. So initially, the surgery was planned for around 45 minutes. It was supposed to be a laparoscopy surgery, and it was planned for 45 minutes. But it took 3.5 hours for that surgery to happen. जहाँ पर लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन और स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन मर्ज होती हैं, वहाँ पे ब्लॉकेज थी. वहाँ पे ब्लड सर्कुलेशन रुक गया था बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड और वो गलने लगी थी. दैट्स वाई बोथ वर कट, और कट होके बाद में थोड़ा थोड़ा पार्ट निकाल दिया गया, एंड देन लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन एंड स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन वर जॉइंट अगेन. सो इट बिकेम अ वेरी मेजर सर्जरी. हाँ, डॉक्टर was good. It was Dr. Deep Goyal from BL Kapoor. He was good. He was able to do that surgery through laparoscopy only. क्योंकि laparoscopy के केस में आपका पूरा open surgery नहीं होता, तो that is done through robotics and through the camera. So recovery time थोड़ा सा quick हो जाता है, काफ़ी quick हो जाता है. तो yeah, it took more than 3 hours, और doctor was able to do that surgery with laparoscopy. But yeah, after that I came out of the OT. तो मुझे तो पूरा एनेस्थीसिया का इम्पैक्ट था, तो आई डोंट रिमेंबर मच अबाउट दैट. बट या, आफ्टर दैट, it feels so fresh. It's been like 6 months since I went through that, but as I'm telling you the same, it feels so fresh. So yeah, after that I was brought to the room. So I was there for around 5 to 6 days. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So in the room, डॉक्टर ने मुझे कहा, डॉक्टर ने मुझे रेस्पिरोमीटर दिया, और उसने कहा, डॉक्टर्स ने कहा कि जब आप ये तीनों बॉल्स ऊपर टच कर दोगे, that means you are recovering well and we can think of discharging you from the hospital. और उस टाइम पे जो मेरी हालत थी, एक बॉल भी मेरे से हिल नहीं रही थी. I remember, मतलब बिल्कुल ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार दम ही नहीं है. It was very tough. But हाँ, अब थोड़ा सा ओके है. So now it's fine. But at that point of time, so it took me 5 to 6 days in the hospital to get these balls up. But yeah, it was बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिप्रेसिंग था यार वो, क्योंकि वहाँ हॉस्पिटल में बैठे बैठे बिल्कुल I was thinking like that कि why it has to happen with me. I was a kind of a person who was always a sports person, a dancer, and a fitness enthusiast. So ऐसा हुआ, समझ ही नहीं आया यार क्या हुआ, क्यों हुआ, मेरे साथ ही क्यों ना था. तो being a person from fitness side, I was quite depressed. Why is it happening to me? But yeah, I was there in a room that was having 2 patients. So the next patient who was there, he was from Africa, from a country in Africa, and he was a soldier. And he came over here for a surgery of lumbar, that is the lower back. He was not able to stand upright since last 4-5 years, and he was planning for that surgery to come to India to get himself operated, because there were no doctors who can treat that in the country where he was from. So he was here, and his surgery went by and he was able to stand. And I remember the day, it's after 5 days, he was there in the room, he was dancing, and I also danced along with him. I was thinking that I am so fortunate to be in India. इंडिया में इतने अच्छे डॉक्टर्स हैं, इतनी अच्छी मेडिकल फैसिलिटी है, दैट हमें उसकी वैल्यू करनी चाहिए यार, और बहुत वैल्यू करनी चाहिए। आई हैव सो दैट वाज समथिंग दैट मोटिवेटेड मी। तो जितना मेरा उस टाइम पे जो दिमाग में वो डिप्रेसिंग सा माहौल था वो सब ठीक हो गया, बिकॉज ही मोटिवेटेड मी अ लॉट। आई वाज डांसिंग along with him, and after that he got discharged. I got discharged the next day. But yeah, I still remember, means I have seen मेरे पेरेंट्स को, मेरी वाइफ को मैंने चुपचाप से रोते हुए देखा है, and they were not sharing with me that they are crying. They were just giving me all the power, all the motivation. So everyone was there to support me. And I can tell you, I realized the value of being there in my home, being there in my hometown. यार आईटी कंपनी में हम होते हैं, हम सोचते हैं बाहर जाना है भाई, बाहर ये है, बाहर वो है, बट मैं बता रहा हूँ यार, जब ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है यू रियलाइज द वैल्यू ऑफ फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स। सो आई एम हेयर। पता नहीं इंडिया के बाहर क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता, बट मैं इधर था तो कोविड उसी टाइम खत्म हुआ, दैट वाज आल्सो मींस थोड़ा कम हुआ, और साथ में मतलब आई गॉट अ प्लेस इन हॉस्पिटल, सारे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स सब थे, तो आई वाज एबल टू रिकवर। सो दैट्स समथिंग दैट हैपेंड टू मी। Yeah, so I came back home. So I was like 70 kgs before all this happened to me. और इस सर्जरी के बाद I was just 56 kgs. Everything was gone, like 20% of my body weight was gone. जितनी मसल्स जो भी थोड़ा बहुत बनाया था वो सब खत्म था। और साथ में ये इंटेस्टाइन की सर्जरी थी, तो इंटेस्टाइन इज लाइक क्वाइट सेंसिटिव, तो बिल्कुल एक नई लाइफ की तरह सब कुछ शुरू हुआ, बिल्कुल बच्चे की तरह सब कुछ शुरू हुआ। सो इनिशियली आई वाज ओनली ऑन लिक्विड्स, उसके बाद में दलिया, खिचड़ी, सूजी की खीर, ये सब ऐड हुआ। सो या इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अ सेकेंड लाइफ, एंड दैट स्टार्टेड विद द लिक्विड्स। और अभी तक भी मैं मतलब इट्स बीन लाइक 6 months, सो धीरे करके ये सब ऐड हुआ। सो मे बी आफ्टर 1 month 2 month आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग a bit more. I added some more items to my diet. So yeah, so it was like metabolism was my strongest point in my entire fitness journey, and now metabolism was my biggest weakness at this point of time.
बच्चों के साथ you get a lot of strength to recover fast. मेरी डॉटर ने मेरे लिए कुछ लिखा था, so just thought of sharing the same with you.
But ठीक है यार, जो है तो वो सब हुआ। उसके बाद में आई स्टार्टेड ईटिंग एवरीथिंग। नाउ आई एम ऑन अ गेनिंग स्प्री। अभी मैंने कोई एक्सरसाइज शुरू नहीं करी है, इसलिए कोई एक्सरसाइज वर्कआउट की वीडियोस में नहीं डाल पाया हूँ अभी तक। बट या सो ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम आई बेसिकली स्टार्टेड डूइंग सम न्यू, created some new hobbies, added some new hobbies to my portfolio. So I became a artist, a painter. I'll show you some of my pictures. Just a second. I'll show you. So during this time, I did some paintings. हाँ ठीक है, budding artist too, but ठीक है, मतलब it was good. I was happy कि कुछ तो किया। ठीक है, कुछ धीरे इम्प्रूवमेंट आएगी। So I tried posting some vlogs also regarding these paintings. I did a bit of guitar playing as well. So ठीक है यार, that's why I said मतलब थोड़ा सा the hobbies got changed, the scenarios got changed, but yeah, you have to be lively. So that is how you can maintain some kind of a positivity within yourself. So मैंने अब सब कुछ खाना पीना शुरू कर दिया है। I've started eating everything, और अभी एक्सरसाइज तो शुरू नहीं करी है, बट या I started walking a bit, I started dancing also a bit. बट हाँ जी, जो हाई इंटेंसिटी इंटरवल ट्रेनिंग्स या फिर वेट्स उठाना, that will take some time. I think next year I'm going to start my transformation journey again, and hopefully that will be a good transformation journey or a better transformation journey. Sorry, मैं थोड़ा सा इमोशनल हो गया था आप सबके साथ बात करते करते, बट होपफुली मैंने आपको ज़्यादा बोर नहीं किया होगा. बट या आई वुड लाइक टू से कि एक तो प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. योर हेल्थ इज़ योर वेल्थ. तो जितना ध्यान हो सके उतना ध्यान दीजिए अपनी हेल्थ पे. जितना टाइम हो सके प्लीज़ गिव इट योर सेल्फ. प्लस फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज़ गिव देम टाइम. लाइफ इज़ वेरी अनसर्टेन. कुछ नहीं पता यार कब क्या होता है क्या नहीं. But try to be happy as much as you can and maintain positivity within yourself. So that's a kind of a learning that I got from this. Plus, Anji, insurance, mediclaim insurance is also a must. At least in India, if you are there, तो mediclaim insurance is very. पता ही नहीं लगता यार एक सेकंड में कैसे पैसे खर्च होते हैं when you're there in hospital. So that's some of the learnings and some of the suggestions from my side. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and please stay connected, and please click that bell icon also, and I'll keep on posting some more videos. Thank you for your love and support. Love you all. Bye.